Alright guys, so our house is flipped upside down right now. Say hello.
Act like I work all day.
Damn, he did help a little bit though.
I helped a little bit.
Okay, so you guys, I'm pretty sad that we didn't really do like a straight before. Did you kind of film before or no?
Didn't. Not really. I did a little bit.
We have some photos.
Yeah, we have some footage.
But what happened is everything happened really fast. But anyways, I can't believe this is gone. I kind of miss it. I'm not gonna lie. You guys, when I first saw this house, I hated the tile that was on here. All of a sudden, I miss it. I miss our little, it kind of looked like Nayarit vibes, like Nayarit restaurant vibes. That over there was yellow. This over here was like blue, yellow, and red. So it was hella like Mexican restaurant vibes. And so, yeah, we are going to have all of these painted white. We're gonna have really nice, thinking about granite, not sure yet. Damn, our dads loved the floor that was here. The floor here was like tile, like brick tile almost. And I'm a little sad. I'm kind of sad. Oh my God, how did I get attached to like the ugly floor? Oh my God, are you really gonna do that? He wants to show y'all that he learned how to do it. Michael always tries to get his hands in everything. It's pretty cool. Go. And then me, go. Michael, are you sure? My ears are gonna hurt. Alright guys, we are at the floor place. We don't like these, huh? I feel like, I don't know. I feel like this is like not, I just don't know anything. Carpet.
Wait, carpet.
I don't know.
So guys, so we're looking for laminate waterproof floors. Would you we're looking at, I like this.
I like that one too. Well, I like it because Michael said he likes it.
And I like the detail with it.
I do like that it's not that cool tone because I do want it to be a little bit more on the warmer side.
Yeah.
So all I know is that I don't really want like a gray. We already had gray in our studio, so I feel like I kind of got my gray fix. So I don't really want that anymore. And also my mom said it was really ugly, but I don't know. I think I like that one. Yeah, this one is nice. I like it.
And I don't mind, I don't care for the ridges in the middle.
Oh yeah, no, me neither. That's like moving it.
I kind of like it.
I like it like this.
It's just been weird because honestly, guys, like things have been going kind of smooth for us.
Stop
We've
thinking
done our work.
that.
I mean, it's just like it trips me out because a lot of things that I do in life, it's very technical. It always takes time. It always gives me.
I know, you
headaches,
guys. We literally got back from LA last night, and this morning at 7:30, ya empezaron.
And they're like,
and they're like halfway done with the demo,
but I honestly
right?
did my homework. I did 10 bids on 10 different general contractors, and I read their vibes. I, you know, seen how many people were in their team
And their energy.
and honestly, my buddy,
The one with the best energy.
Francisco for Central Valley Premier Construction, my
He
boy
got
right
it.
there.
And I mean, good vibes.
He gave me the best vibes ever and the best price. So
I mean, should we do this one?
I like this. So
Wait, am I gonna have to limpiar in there?
No,
Oh no, it's
it's
like
not.
surface.
There's
Love that. It
this.
just looks
It
like
just
that.
looks like
Love that. Right, now we are at this place looking for stone, like for maybe around the fireplace and stuff. I'm very confused. I am very confused. Babe, I don't even know where to start.
We gotta start.
That's cute, because it has like glitter, kinda. There's more floor, but I think we're gonna get the floor at the other place. How much do you think this is?
I don't know.
Damn.
Pretty pricey, I'm sure.
And this is all like black backsplash stuff. You guys, I didn't even know that backsplash was a thing until we started this process. I am overwhelmed. What about this? Just something plain. I literally would rather have something plain, no?
Yeah, I think so.
Like, I don't like this because since we already have granite, like, I feel like this is gonna be a lot. Like,
yeah.
Damn, hella vibrant red.
I like it.
I kind of, what? Stop.
You like this?
No, I like the sleek. without any
This
score. No,
No?
sleek,
This-
plain. What about something like this?
It's cool.
It's whatever.
White, no?
Yeah, I think just white too. I want it to look pretty simple.
Because we're gonna dress it up.
Yeah.
So we reposition the recessed lighting. We're gonna do 3 about this way. We're gonna do 3 that way. We're gonna do 3 above this way as well. And then we're gonna do 2 drop lighting right here. We are going to be replacing this with a marble style / tile style, but just a sleek look. I want to go really sleek on all this area here, all the backsplash, all of that there. So I want to do no ridges at all. I do not want to clean in between the grout and all that. So I'm going to try to go with a really sleek look here.
Good morning, you guys. So we're officially back home. You guys get a little sneak peek of how the house is looking. They finished painting. They finished doing like the cabinets. The floors are done. They're all covered though because since they painted. But there's a few more steps. So today we're actually going out to get we're picking out our sink. We need to pick out faucets. We need to pick out like the handles. We need to pick out the light fixture. So there's actually a lot of things that still need to be like picked out. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Honey, what are we thinking? What are we thinking? This is what we're looking at, you guys. Right then.
It's very basic, and it's like,
it's not basic.
it's not basic, but
that's not the word we wanted to
It's
use.
gonna match.
You guys, not basic, you guys. It was more like, I would hate to think of it as basic. So we've got like all these different ones, but we definitely want to go with more of like a universal, you know, something that's a little bit more doable, matchable with everything, not basic, which is what Michael called it. All right, guys, we're looking at more stuff. This can get a little overwhelming.
Wanted to give you guys an update on the project. We are close to finish, guys. We are almost done. Wanted to show you guys the progress. We got the flooring done. We end up painting the whole first floor from the top up. It's gonna look really nice when everything's cleaned up and shined up. We got ourselves a new hood as well. This is a range hood that we'll be placing above the oven. Come in here. We put a little granite piece for my workspace. We got the fireplace is gonna be redone, and we'll be adding these bricks. We're gonna go with black around the fireplace there. We put in the wine rack to extend the island as well, and it looks really nice. We also put in the light fixtures. Very excited for that. We have a new faucet coming in as well. We'll be putting the backsplash today. We put the handles, nice gold.
Welcome to our new kitchen. Woo! nighttime is here. I'm sorry about the echo. We're still not like completely furnished. We're hardly furnished actually. But yeah, let me give you guys a little rundown of all the changes that we made here. This is Michael's workstation. As you guys saw before, it was one of those like little holes where you put in the TV. We had this part was down here, so they completely took it out. They completely like renovated the whole thing, yada yada yada. We spend most of our time here in the kitchen, like living room area here, so we thought it would be perfect to have Michael's workstation here. Here we have our skylight bliss lights, which you guys have probably seen on my Instagram stories. It's currently daylight outside, so we are not gonna turn them on just because you can't see, plus we have the other lights. But I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of what it looks like at nighttime, and it's pretty lit. So anyways, I'm going to be linking all of these things that you guys see that we got on Amazon down in the description box below in case you guys are interested in getting them for yourselves. All right guys, so this right here is the fireplace area. I know that we had mentioned before that we wanted to do this kind of similar to a backsplash and kind of have like a sleek look, but we decided to go with this black kind of like chicish tile. And then this in here was actually pretty beat up, but Michael did a whole little like video on it. He like made it all cute. Do you want to tell them what you did, honey?
I did a little razzle dazzle back here.
Razzle-dazzle.
I painted it up, put my own stone. We actually picked out the brick on the outside as well too. We picked out the whole.
We picked out everything for the house.
Everything, every little nick and cranny, even from this wine rack right here as well. That was an addition that we added on to extend the island.
Extend the island. And we were actually gonna go for a different island, you guys, for a different kind of, not material, different like look. And I'm glad we didn't go for that and we ended up going for this because I absolutely love this so much better. But anyways, we did extend the island. And we used the wine racks here to kind of like extend everything. And then we knew that we wanted to have gold accents, which is obviously you see here, you see this over here, and obviously they don't have gold, you know, of that, so that's why we got this right here. But yeah, so we got these off of Amazon, all of the, what are these called, the handles. A lot of the stuff we got on Amazon. This we got at, did we get this at Lowe's?
We got that at Home Depot.
At Home Depot. So we really liked how just it looked really like nice and sleek. We also got this at Home Depot.
Open up the inside, that cowboy, Laker blue.
Michael loves the blue. Well, Lakers are purple.
I know, but it looks purple sometimes
okay,
too.
So then it's not Cowboys. You gotta pick one.
But it is Cowboys.
It's either Laker purple or it's Cowboy blue.
It's my Cowboy blue.
We showed it to my dad and my dad was like, that looks a little bit more like the Vikings. But okay, I'm gonna let you have your moment. So we did get a bigger sink and we decided to go with the, what is this called,
it's an undermount sink.
Undermount sink. I'm glad we went with this. Originally I wanted an overmount, but then we were like, okay, let's just get the undermount, and I'm so glad that we ended up getting
it. Flows, it just helps flow.
You guys, this whole process taught me so much because I had no idea that there was undermount, overmount, what is that other option? Milkmaid, no, what is it? Housemaid, what is it called?
I don't know, there's
modern,
like
what is it called? Farmhouse. Like the farmhouse, there's like so many options, but let me show you guys a little bit about the sink. Down, hella adult vibes, because when you like grow up, like all this stuff. So anyways, it like comes out. I knew that I wanted this, and it has very strong pressure. Love that we have so much cabinet space. We have so much cabinet space that I actually put my, what is this called?
Your sewing?
My sewing machine over here.
What is this called?
My friends came over.
Our
friends came over this past weekend. We hosted our friends for like the first time. And she was like, you guys have so much cabinet space. And I was like, girl, I know. So I have my sewing machine over here. And she was like, damn, I'm really looking over here and finding socks and stuff, just random stuff from the house. But yeah, so it's really cool because we have so much cabinet space. I love it. But you guys, I do need your guys' help on what we should put up there, because I have no idea
I think a nice art piece,
a nice decorate. No, but there's like so much space. So like, I know obviously plants are probably something that we're gonna put up there, but if you guys have any idea, if you guys have any inspo, Pinterest, please send it my way, because I've not really seen like a house that has so much space up there, so I don't know really like what we would put up there. But also I want to show you guys like the favorite part. I think my favorite part of the whole entire house is like the lights. They are so bright. I feel like I'm all over the place, but these lights over here, love these light fixtures. They are so cute. If there was anything that I was so certain about during the whole process is that these are the kind of lights that I wanted for, you know, the house. So we decided to go with 2. These are also from Amazon. We knew that we wanted our kitchen to be so bright, so even at nighttime it feels like it's daytime, but we do have options. Alright guys, so let me show you guys
the body.
My favorite part of like our kitchen. This is where we spend most of our time, obviously. So we wanted it to be, I don't know, we wanted it to be a party. So whenever Michael and I are just chilling, just watching TV, what we do a lot is we just listen to music while we eat or while we just hang out, while we have like our us time. Like this is what we enjoy. So we ended up putting in some smart color LED lights inside of like the ceiling wall. What are they called, babe? Those lights?
Recessed lighting.
They're called recessed lighting. So you can keep it any solid color, but as of now, we wanted to show you guys all the colors.
There's a whole galaxy up here, dude.
It's a whole galaxy. So now we have turned on the Swiss lights, and then back here we have a strip. Which is really cool, and that strip actually goes to the beat of the music. So whenever you put music, it goes to the beat, or whenever you have, like you're watching a movie or something, people are talking, it goes to the beat. So it's really cool. We had our friends over this past weekend, and it was fun.
Lit.
It was lit, okay? And then, I don't know if they'll be able to see, but actually in the blue lights, we have some pink cups and stuff that glow in the dark, so we'll show you guys that on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow us on there, because it's like a little party over here. But yeah, so this is like my favorite part. Like I said, you can make it all red, all yellow, all pink, and then it obviously goes to like regular lighting, which is most of the lighting. Like when it goes regular white, that's kind of the lighting that we usually use, just because these right here are super bright. And then back here in the corner, we have some more lighting, and that lighting over there I also have in my studio, and that's what I use for like to change the colors in the background. So we need to get a new couch. Don't mind this little one. This is something that we have carried over from the studio. But yeah, so this is our little galaxy moment. This is where we spend all of our time. All right, guys, so that was it for our kitchen renovation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know you guys were waiting for it for a long time, and we're so excited to finally share it with you guys. All the time we kind of like refrain from posting stuff like on Instagram and stuff because we're like, oh, we haven't showed them the whole like house and stuff. But I'm so glad that you guys have seen it now. We're so excited to decorate everything. It's gonna be so much fun getting like a new like couch, sectional, stools, and all that good stuff. So if you guys have any inspo, send it our way. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you guys next time.